Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Ankit. So today we will talk about how we can generate the artificial intelligence images from text. Whatever we enter particular text, how we can generate that particular image. Suppose we have enter any particular a cat behind the table. Okay, or something else, whatever we want to create an image of the morning scenes, right? So how we can create? So for this we need to create lots of coding and we have to do give some more efforts and time there so we can do that thing. But we want to create a images artificial using the artificial intelligence, right? So here we have one organization called named the OpenAI, which actually works on the AI related R&Ds, right? Actually, they are doing the research on the AI field to provide the particular product that actually being used the artificial things so that he can provide the particular product in the market that will use the AI and generate the particular result based on that AI things, right? So today we will discuss on this and we will take a demo on this one also. So, so particular OpenAI is a research organization that aims to create safe and beneficial artificial general intelligence. I have already told you it is only a organization that what is doing. He is only doing the research on the AI things to create a such type of product that actually gives you result using the AI. So he actually created multiple products like GPT-4, DALL-E 3, Sora. So these product actually provides you the multiple APIs. So previously, whenever we are doing something else, the data actually we saved into the database or in the file on the XML format, XML file or in the JSON file or any other sources. So we have to write the API on the backend code or backend language and to write the code to connect with the data source, whatever type of data source, so we have to connect them and we have to retrieve or insert, update, delete command, and then we have to give the result to the UI and UI will show. That is the whole phenomena, general phenomena that we are doing from the so many years, right? So now OpenAI created these product. With the help of these product gives you the particular API already in. They created the API to generate these AI related results. Okay, we can use these API OpenAI API and we can do the things or services provided by the OpenAI using the artificial intelligence. So now we will see that how we can implement these API, how we can consume these API in our React application. So what is the demo? We will generate the simple an application where we will write something, right? The text, any form this, the give the prompt or text, whatever you want to create a text images. So you have to suppose you want to create an image for the morning scenes, right? Or you want to create a image of cat behind the table, right? Or a man is purchasing the vegetable in the vegetable market, right? So something called. So whenever we click on the button, you enter text and click on the button generate image. So it will call the OpenAI API and gives you the image URL. So click on that particular URL. It will you can see that particular image. So that we will see these type of demo here. I will explain to you. So to save time, I have already created one application using the npx create white command, right? Image generator app. So I have created using the React and TypeScript, not JavaScript, right? So after that, I have just open or go into that particular directory or folder, and to open the VS Code, I have enter the code dot, right? And then just do the npm install, right? So to install all the dependency. After that, to run the application, I'm just do the npm run dev command, right? So now our application is up and running. You can see here our application is up and running. So here we will remove everything auto generated code from app.tsx. Now we will write the some basic code first. Then we will create an text area. Here we will define a placeholder to prompt a user, enter prompt or text to generate an image. Row equal to 10 and calls equal to 40. Okay. Now in another div, we will create a button. Button generate image. So now you can see that application. Now we can see one heading for image generator and we have a text area here. So here we will enter a particular text to generate the images and here is the button. Okay. So whenever we will create an image from the text, we have to call the OpenAI API. So for doing calling the Open API, we have to set up everything. So what we will do, we have to install the one package of OpenAI. Okay. So we can go, we will open a terminal, npm install OpenAI, we will install. Okay, after installing the OpenAI, we can use it in our code. So here, first of all, we have to import something from OpenAI. From OpenAI. So what we need to import first client options. So with the help of client option, we can set the configuration for it. Then we have to import one or things Open AI API from OpenAI. So I told you that we have to call an OpenAI API to generate the image, right? We told you OpenAI organization gives you a multiple product and multiple product provide you a specific API to work specific type of task, right? So we have to import the OpenAI API. Then inside it we will create some state variable. Like first we will create a state variable to prompt equal to use state. We will set as blank as a default value. We will create one more state variable for image URL, comma set image URL, because after that we will also display that. So whatever we got the URL, we will set here in this variable. Okay. Okay, now we have to do one thing here in the text box, whatever user will enter. So here in the on change, we have to call an method, call an event. So here we have to set the prompt. Whatever we enter, it will store into this variable. Okay, so e dot target dot value. Okay. So whatever we enter into the text, it will store into this prompt variable using the set prompt method. Okay. So now whenever we click on the generate image button, we need to call that particular API. So we have to create particular method. Okay. So doing so, we have to configure the API options using the client option. We have to configure the API. So we will create object options. What will be the type of the option? That will be the client option that we have already imported. We have to set its property like API key. We have to set. Okay. So from where we will retrieve that particular API key. So that is the most important thing of this. You have to see carefully. So you will enter the you have to go the website of OpenAI, openai.com, and here you have to go into the docs. So first you need to log in yourself. After the login, okay, you can see the option for the API key. So you need to sign up, and after sign up you can. I think I forget my password. Okay, 1 minute. So first I need to recover my account. So we have to enter the code. Update password. Okay, now I have logged in. So now you can see that here we have extra icons or extra uh, options here. So here you can see there is no option for the API keys we have to create. So here we have to create that particular key. Okay. So what we can do here, we can create a new key, and we have to give the option OpenAI underscore API key. Okay. So we can. We can generate new one, and we need to copy this, and we need to pass here. Okay. So now we have to call this API. So first we will create an object const OpenAI equal to new OpenAI API, or we will pass this options object here. Okay, we will create one method to call the API generate image constant const response equal to await OpenAI OpenAI dot images dot images dot generate. We will we have to pass argument here like prompt. So our prompt actually store in the state variable of prompt. We need to set here n colon 1, that is predefined, and we can give the size here. So I am giving 112 512 into 512, right? So you can give the another size as well. So here you can see in the inbuilt class, inbuilt component, you can see the size. You can give the size of the image. You can give the style as well, right? You can give the response format. You can give the quality as well for the standard, right? The n actually represent the number of images. So which uh, number of images? Actually, I wrote the one because I want to generate only one image for that one. So that is the what is the model you can use, that I told you the different product. So Dell A3 is the latest version of that OpenAI product, and the previous version is Dell A2, right? So here you can give that particular option, otherwise it will take the default option. So a text description or desired image, the maximum length is 1000 character of DALL-E 2, right? So whatever we prompt we will enter, you can give the only 1000 character if you are using the method of DALL-E 2, or if you are using the DALL-E 3, you can give the 4000 character here. You can give we already discussed for that one. Image edit parameter, we can define it separately as well. Okay, so this is the size. So we will get that if we got the response dot data 0 dot URL. If we got the URL, we will set inside the image URL variable response dot data 0 location will contain the URL under URL property. Okay, so we will call this method from the button click generate image. Okay, one thing we have to define here is async method because we want to use await, so we need to put function as async. Now what is okay? Here it is reloading things. Wait, I am checking. What is the issue? Mm, we will run again. There is no error. We will check in the runtime. We will check in the. So here you can see that it is generating the error from the OpenAI. So we are actually directly using the API key. So that actually will be more dangerous to us. So we have to store it in the something like in the env file so that we can retrieve that particular API key from that. Yeah. But if you want to directly here, so that will be very dangerous. So, but you want to take risk, you have to give one more parameter is dangerously allow browser. We have to give the option as true. So now you can see that the error is coming, but it allows to use, right? So cat inside bucket. So I open the network tab. So remove everything and click on the generate area. You can see that here the one API is called that is related to generation API dot open AI dot com v1 slash images slash generation. Okay. Now here in the particular preview or response, okay, that is the options method and that is post. Same images slash generations. So here we give the prompt, okay, size that is a payload and preview. You can see inside the data array 0th position we got the URL. So if we copy that particular URL and try to open it in another window, so it should open. So it is showing that go to okay. So here you can see that the image actually opened under the bucket. So cat inside the bucket to you can see here actually opened that particular. So that is the use of this OpenAI API of OpenAI product. So we are using the DALI method. Okay. So here, now we want to display an image here inside. We don't want to click on the URL button. So here, the div, we will see that if we have the image URL, if we have, then we will display the image inside the img tag. gsrc equal to image URL, and we have to give the style, we have to give the width. Suppose I have given the same 512 pixel and also given the height same 512 pixel. Okay, now we will see the output. Here you can see the we have already image, so we have that one. So we will refresh this. Again, we will enter a man and woman purchasing vegetables from market. Click on the generate image button. You can see here the API is called. Okay, now you can see the output. Here, man and woman purchasing vegetables from the market. So that is the AI response from a DALL-E OpenAI product, right? You can define anything here. So which type of, suppose you want to print mm, Taj Mahal in the forest. Click on the generate image. So you can see we got that Taj Mahal in the forest, and you can the Prime Minister of USA or India. I am just trying. He is just trying. Okay, and a dog is running behind the cat. Okay, you can see here, dog is running behind the cat. So these are the whatever you want to, what type of image you want to generate, you have to write something. So suppose I am entering the morning scene. Actually, that prompt actually also you have to write something and you have to check what which type of text actually give you the correct image. The morning scene. The sunrise. A lion is eating a man. Okay. So we have, that is actually on research part to make our prompt searching more better. So what we enter the particular text, so how it can generate a more predictable or more accurate information or image. So actually it is giving the error policy violation. Okay, that's why it is not generated. Okay, so that is the something we have to check what text we can line is. Okay, you can see the result. So that is the actually OpenAI API which can we can create a generate a image by entering any particular text. So basically that is the demo you we can explore it further. So in the GitHub I will push our code. So in the description box you can check the demo GitHub URL to you can check the code from there. Okay, so here we have a channel for our that Ankit tech classes. So we have already created so many videos. I have entered already. Cre- so you can check here for the Next.js tutorial as well. There are multiple playlists, React.js with Typescript tutorial for beginner, React.js project scenario series. So that is related to that one that is new. You can go through other things, and that is Next.js tutorial, advanced React tutorial, and React. So I have please support me if you want to like this video and you want to know more something like this. You want more session like that one. So please subscribe my channel so that you will get the latest video information. Okay, and press the bell icon to get the latest update of the new videos coming, and share these video to your friend circle so that they can also get help and learn more thing at free of cost without any charges, right? So I am not making any uh, future expectation that it will be you have to pay it in the future. No, it will never paid. It will be always free for everyone who want to learn more technology, more things, and want to grow more. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video with the new exciting thing. So, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.